So Nate, what are we doing today?
We are taking apex seals out of this engine and putting it into that engine. That should have flown to fucking hell.
You know,
Of
typical
course it is.
apex seal change out. You know, how many? What's your recommended interval for how much we should change these out at?
Every oil change.
Every oil change?
Every oil change. Like 2,000 to 3,000 miles or less.
And if you don't, what happens? You know, where they talk about the reliability of these Rx8s, it's a legit thing. They just don't last. Every 3,000 miles or 5,000 miles, depending on whatever you want to change your oil. Highly recommend swapping them out.
Ferraris are expensive to maintain? Try owning a Rotary for like a week. So much unreliability.
Oh yeah.
He's a 5.3 from a junkyard with a Chinese choo-choo boy.
Chinese choo-choo. So in order to swap these seals out, isn't there like an easy access compartment to put those in?
Yeah. So now what you do is you just take this coupler off, and then you move the throttle body a bit so it opens, and then you just insert them in there, and then they just go in by themselves.
Nice. And you can do that without having to do a rebuild?
Oh, no, you don't even have to pull the engine. Nothing. That's all you do.
So we shouldn't listen to the Mazda engineers where they say, you know.
They don't know what they're talking about. I mean, they sell OEM apex seals. They always break anyway.